hey, we're not saying it'll clean it in 30 seconds. We're just saying you need to get the product rinsed off in 30 seconds. Thanks for tuning in to the Doing Stuff channel, where we do stuff. If you'd like to support the channel, hit that subscribe button. And any other love is greatly appreciated. Welcome back to the Doing Stuff channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing more stuff. I'm going to be testing out this 30-second outdoor cleaner. It's something I've been thinking about trying for a long time. And we've got some like algae stuff going on the back of our house. And it's hard to reach with my regular pressure washing. So I thought maybe I just needed some kind of chemical or something to kind of break it down. And basically I just want to test this thing to see if it actually does anything or if it can meet its advertisement of 30 seconds. So I went ahead and sprayed this kind of ugly area here. And we'll see how it does. And I can only leave this on the glass for 30 seconds, so do not let 30 seconds dry on glass. That's one of the reasons why this video is probably not what you would expect. I'm having to not wait too long and hurry up and rinse it off, but I can see it actually broke it up very good just spraying it with the cleaner. But you know, this big stuff, like, I don't know if it's bird poop or what it is, that kind of stuff is what I really want to see if it works, if it'll break it. It's definitely helping, but it needs more help. I don't know, it works, right? Sort of. No? Well, I mean, if you don't have a pressure washer, then you need to get a pressure washer, because it doesn't really do it. What is it? Oh, he wants to play basketball. So yeah, just get you a pressure washer. It was really a waste of time, honestly, I think. I was thinking maybe I was using it wrong, but there's really no other way to use it, because it says in the directions to not leave it on glass for longer than 30 seconds. So yeah, so more than anything, the value I got out of buying that product is the bottle itself, because now I can use that bottle for, you know, a cleaning agent that I want to whip up, or maybe I can use it for other things. But you know, having a bottle with a valve on it's could be beneficial for many different things. So anyway, just wanted to kind of give you my little first take impression of that on my channel. And yeah, if you don't have a pressure washer, you might want to get one or hire someone who can use one. So that's just my conclusion on that whole story.